Hey, what's up guys? So Infinix is trying to make a name for itself in the smartphone industry. So far the brand was focusing on budget smartphones, but seems like this is changing as the brand is now getting ready to launch a new smartphone with a 200 megapixel main camera. The smartphone will be called Infinix Zero Ultra 5G and it is confirmed to launch on October 5. And now we have its live hands-on images that reveal the design of the Zero Ultra 5G. So let's delve in. The Zero Ultra 5G features a curved display with a hole punch cutout in the top center. It is said to feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with narrow bezels and a fairly thin bottom chin. The back of the device has a dual tone finish and a triple camera setup headlined by a 200 megapixel main camera. This will be the first phone from Infinix with a 200 megapixel sensor. The other two sensors may include an 8 megapixel telephoto lens and another 8 megapixel lens. On the front, it may feature a 32 megapixel selfie snapper. Not only this, the device will also be the first phone from the brand that will support 180 watt super fast charging speed. It may come in black and white color options and will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 920 SoC, which doesn't seem to be a huge upgrade over its predecessor that came with the Dimensity 900 SoC. The device could be offered in 8 and 12GB RAM with 256GB of internal storage and will run on XOS 12 based on Android 12. The device is set for October 5 launch and could be the most affordable 200 megapixel smartphone with 180 watt insane fast charging speed. Hopefully we'll learn more about its specs in the coming days. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Anyway, thank you for watching. As always, I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.